Hello, welcome to Land Rover Stockton. My name is Sam and today we have a stunning example of a Range Rover Sport in stock. Now this one in particular is a D300 3-litre diesel Dynamic SE specification. Now, beautiful looking car. Giola Green is the metallic colour on this one. We do have the exterior black pack fitted to this car as well, so black lettering, black grille, as well as the 3D camera that we actually get as standard now on Range Rover Sport, which gives us that nice bird's eye view. Now, looking at the side profile on the car, it looks absolutely brilliant. Now, 22-inch there, the SV style wheels, red brake calipers, again the continuation of the black pack, black contrast roof as well. So lots of black elements which work really well with the metallic. Keyless entry, deployable door handles, and we do actually have blind spot assist, or blind spot monitoring should I say, on those power folding wing mirrors. Now we've got privacy glass at the back of the vehicle, as well as an electrically powered tailgate, so we can open that with the key, and really good size boot at the back of this car. We do have air suspension, rear seat remote levers, so if I just pop this down, you will actually see them rear seats fold, so rather than me really having to do any manual labour, I can just simply pop them switches, no need for any tethers and popping the seats down, really easy to use. And looking to the back of the car, we've got a full ebony perforated leather, no clear signs of wear and tear. We've got heated seats in the back, lots of leg room for them rear occupants, and we've even got Meridian speakers in this car. Nice thing about the back seats is that we can actually recline them as well, but talking about reclining and adjustments, lots to talk about in the front. So loads and loads of controls and ways to adjust those seats, particularly when we get to the screen as well. Memory functionality, and when I start the car up, 12,063 miles, so really low mileage on the car. Heated steering wheel, paddles at the rear, all of our adaptive cruise control settings on here as well. Huge digital dashboard, even bigger infotainment system. But we've got all of our dual zone climate controls, really easy to use, is all haptic touch as well. So navigation, phone connectivity, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and just to give you a glimpse of that 3D camera where we do get that nice bird's eye view as well. Lots of other apps to talk about on the car as well, including all of our different off-road modes as well that we do get on the Range Rover Sport. But wireless device charging, twin cup holders, storage space between that two front seats, and then we do actually have a sliding and opening panoramic sunroof. So all around, a beautiful example of what Range Rover Sport has to offer, particularly with the Meridian speakers as well. Sounds absolutely fantastic if you're into music. Now, it is an approved car. It will come with a minimum of a year warranty, but if you do have any further questions on this vehicle, please give us a call. That's on 01642 644 444. Thank you.